creating for everyone. Gadgets, gizmos, ideas take flight, inventing the future day and night.
Start with the question, what can I do? How can I help make something new? Think of a problem, then find a way. Your ideas can save the day.
What can I invent today?
You can be an inventor. It's so much fun. Dreaming big, creating for everyone. Gadgets, gizmos, ideas take flight, inventing the future day and night. Grab some paper, draw your plan. Use your tools, build what you can. Try and test, adjust, refine. Inventors work with a curious mind.
Let's test it out!
You can be an inventor, it's so much fun. Dreaming big, creating for everyone. Gadgets, gizmos, ideas take flight, inventing the future day and night. Invent a robot that cleans your room, or a gadget that makes flowers bloom. Create a car that flies through the air. With your imagination you can go anywhere. I can invent anything. Thomas Edison and his bright light. Marie Curie's work shines so bright. The Wright Brothers taught planes to soar. Inventors open every door. You can be an inventor, it's so much fun. Dreaming big, creating for everyone. Gadgets, gizmos, ideas take flight, inventing the future day and night. So grab your tools and start today. Let your ideas lead the way. With creativity you'll go far. Invent the world, you're a superstar.